Good morning, sports fans. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. Coming to you from the beach on Marco Island. It is Thursday, August 19th, 2021. 23 years ago this week, I purchased a condo in that building. That's South Seas Tower 4 on the beach on Marco Island 23 years ago. Changed my life forever. What are you waiting for? Come down, let me help you change your life forever. Let me help you find your piece of paradise. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. Give me a call anytime, 219-406-6482. 219-406-6482. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. And make it a great day.